Hello, plant collectors from the world. Welcome to Pink and Purple Flora. My name is Marimar. Today I want to share my water culture plant collection. In other words, plants that are growing permanently in water. Growing plants in water can be very convenient for places where we would love to have plants, but not necessarily soil. For example, desks, kitchen countertops, night tables, baby nurseries, and other places. So let me show you my plants. Most of them are growing in my desk, where they receive light early in the day from a north and east window. I have this beautiful Epicea strawberry patch growing in a tree-shaped vase. Just adorable. This is a trailing plant and so gives the look of a fuller canopy for this beautiful vase. This epicea is not growing with the help of pebbles. Next to it, I have this Aglaonema favonian, also known as Pink Valentine or Lady Valentine, which has very intense colors but not very big leaves. Correct lighting but lack of humidity appears to be so. I still love it anyway. I have a cutting of a Begonia rooting, so I just put it here. This Aglaonema is growing with the help of pebbles and stones. This is one of my favorite water culture plants, an Anthurium andreanum, which gives me pretty and small purple blooms. This Anthurium is growing with the help of pebbles and stones. Now, this is for sure one of the easiest ways to have some green in water. Putting a cutting of a trailing plant in water and letting it do its magic while you do nothing. This philodendron micans grows slowly but requires little light. That's why it sits in the darkest corner of my desk. Next to it, in this adorable lady vase, I have Mamatsi pink vein Fittonia. So you know, Fittonias do pretty well in water, but they lose bottom leaves from time to time, so you have to cut the wilting leaves when they no longer look pretty. This Fittonia is growing with the help of pebbles and gems. Next, we have another Fittonia. This is called Frankie, and it looks just too cute to not have it near me at all times. This Frankie is growing with the help of gems to keep it in place. On the windowsill, I have cuttings of a pothos marble queen, which has been broken several times by the blinds falling on top of her, but it has been still growing regardless of those incidents. The good thing about trailing cuttings in water is that they rarely lose leaves, if ever. This pothos is not grown with the help of any pebbles. In this next candle holder, I have a pretty Hemigraphis with pretty pink variegated leaves. This Hemigraphis is growing with the help of gems. To the right, on another candle holder, I have a Syngonium berry illusion, which, I must be sincere, never has more than 3 leaves at a time. As soon as a new leaf appears, the oldest one gets yellow. It still looks really pretty, so I leave it here. This Syngonium is growing with the help of pebbles and stones. Finding pretty and creative forms to display my plants in water is also a hobby of mine. What about this lady mug that I found on Etsy? I just think it's adorable. On it, we see the pretty Fittonia pink angel. This Fittonia is grown with the help of pebbles and gems. One of the cutest displays I've got is this Saxifraga stolonifera growing in a sphere crystal vase. I just love the way it looks. This Saxifraga is growing in water with the help of gems and fantasy pearls. The next plant is the Syngonium Maria illusion, which grows fantastically in water. However, I think the roots will not make it forever, so soon I will have to decide whether I keep it in water or I pass it to soil. This is a cutting from a larger plant, by the way. The syngonium doesn't have any petals to support it. I hope you have enjoyed my collection of water culture plants in my desk. I love them all and they give me so much joy whenever I'm working. I think we should surround ourselves with things that makes us happy in our area of work. So these are the things that make me happy. What makes you happy? See you next time, guys. Plant love.